Omupiira ogu oguzanirwa Chai Chamaza ekyashema omurushema municipality ibanderabireho kuza finals na timu ya Rubirizi ebiro 8 aha Chai Kacheka bwanyuma y'omuzano kugwa makazi aho Rubirizi nayo eshoreize ntungamo na goli birari emwe konka babanyashema okusinga omupiira ogu bayekwatsa ba referee ekintu kyabateeka bunkenke
kwazana tindi kumanya oba refund babiyankahi obana baharana shema tinga kimanyire oshuwa omupiira ogu tugwaba omupira omwana bamuterera mu box nyine bagukwata kwenyine konka rufi ya top penalty.
Ronald Alonso oliomu abatebekanise empakezi nawe yashobora kuba refari bakora enshobe nyingi ekintu kiyajangwa abantu baine kuterera ngo hakuba nabo n'abantu.
Of course aburizo kukuruzinga omupiira ningashi wabote yogire misho no kureberesho bizona ezi refari yakora kandi refari nawe nari omuntu definitely naba yakora mu enshobi konka omupiira yaguheza nyina ngo muterere aho kwa namazima inebi yanashara bitashire konka umupira gwenda kikakira taka kushara mu kimwe cyone kishikire abo kwa nawe n'umuntu cyo gukora enshobi.
Patrick Ochan coach wa Shema yashobora bimwe ebyabaretera kuremwa kwika aha buhanguzi aho coach Fazil coach w'Ibanda we yashobora kuba referee bakora kurunje munonga.
Ibanda for reaching to the finals. We played well, the game was okay, though we didn't score. Second, I think the officiation was a little bit lacking. I think going forward, the organizers of the tournament have to look into that officiation. But otherwise, we always want the best team to win the tournament.
Fair new. Nti side zonna refari abadde agezaako okubalansinga lwakuba nti tiimu gye baba basinze refari abeera mubi ebiseera ebisinga naye refari abadde fair 50-50.
Happy Herbert Mayanja chairman w'entebe ya katano aha Bwibanda ahayira barubirizi kubeja kacheka bakukimanya ngo bariye norya gujwe gwache Ibanda netekwa kutwara ekikopo.
Kindi kwenda kumanyisa abanyibanda n'abanya-Uganda mwena ngo itwibanda we are determined kutwara ekikopo. So nyenda kumanyisa abanyibanda mwena ebiro twantuza kacheka ebiro 8 mwena mwije tuzeka cheka muhagire timu abo kuba ekikopo tutewa kukirera.
Of course tuja tukimanya ngo game ne kubetanga hejo tactically coach at preparing reje so that we can match their intensity and physicality kandi ngebi yatugambire bitubent training a previous at preparing no muri game ya Shema nko tuja tukabiteka cyane nico cyaretera twafuna ubuhanzi bwafuna.
Gashakwa Gerard Tugume hawa Sky Television agenshonga omurshe.